Hi, Marcus here for 4POS. Quick demo video on how to set up learning mode. Learning mode is the ability within 4POS to create your database items directly from the point of sale. So let's assume for the moment that you've got a business, you do not have a database, you do not want to use the liquor store, restaurant, hardware type of business, you have something totally different. Argument's sake, you've got a spares store, or you're selling scrap metals, or a variety of other type of businesses that just don't have anything. If you have an Excel spreadsheet, you'll watch our 4POS upload video to import the database. But let's assume that you say, no, I want to just start from scratch, I want to create my own products. You can obviously go and create the items directly from the back office, go and create new stock item from there, and simply just click on the product that one is not on the list. It's quite a tedious process because you'll typically have to enter all the information about each and every product, supplier, and so on, especially if you want to do it right. A fast way of doing it is you can set up the learning mode. You go to store setup and security, point of sale parameters, and as you can see at the bottom right hand side, we've got the POS learning mode option here. Typically what you can do is also allow then display selling price at the same time. And then all you need to do after that is do an update point of sale to update that parameter to your point of sale system. Ensure your domain controller is open and it updates the transaction number, the data instruction number over there. And then straight into the point of sale. On the point of sale, after a couple of minutes, you'll see your instruction number would have updated and the learning mode little tick will be on here. And then simply all you need to do is physically take your product and scan it if it's got a barcode, and if you have a barcode scanner. Or alternatively, if you don't have anything, you don't have a scanner, you do not have barcodes on your products, whatever, literally just start typing in numbers. As you can see at the bottom left hand side, I'm typing 101 and pressing enter. And the system says, no, I don't know what 101 is. There's no barcode in the database with 101. And you can type in testing item from learning mode. Maybe I should just spell it properly. And I often say this to customers: when you do this, I know it's a quick way, but try and do this as well as you can. In other words, if you're doing, arguments like cold drink cans, type in there 300 ml, or cigarettes, type in there whatever the product is, a packet of 20 or 30s, or whatever the case would be. Okay, so in this case, testing item from learning mode, and all you do is you press enter. It'll then go to the selling price field. You'll type in your selling price with the cents. So in this case, it's 12 Rand 50 cents. Okay, if it was 9.99, you would type in as 9.99. Okay, and then all you literally do is you press enter, and it will sell the product for you automatically, and at the same time create it in the back office. So if I press just F1 for search for now, just to be able to jump back to my back office, and I go to stock create edit and mean stock by detail, you'll see immediately the product will already appear on my database, and I can go in there now and go and fix maybe the department on it if I want to do that right now. And again, the purpose of the learning mode is fast, 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 speed, speed, speed. So right now, doesn't matter what the department is and so on. We're not anywhere near the point of being able to do stock control and all sorts of other wonderful things. We just want to be able to go and sell the product. So if you have made a mistake on the item, you can actually come back here and change it. You can't change it from the point of sale. So that's 4.56, and again, update point of sale, and that will allow it. Okay, back to the point of sale quickly, just on that point. If I now had to come back and search for the product, once the update has come through from the back office, in other words, the system is already updated, like you just saw the flash there, the learning mode product would be there. The beauty of this is that if you've got 5 or 6 or 10 terminals for that matter, in other words 10 point of sale devices, all 10 of them can be creating products at the same time. And if I'm creating a product on my side, on my machine, the other machines will automatically be updated, obviously. And so you'll be able to build your database, in my opinion, whole supermarket within a day. The other benefit of it, of course, is that instead of bringing the product to to the computer and scan it in, and now you're going to spend a couple of days on creating your database, you might as well just wait for the customer to bring you the product, and you can simply scan it from there. And as soon as you scan it, obviously you've got to have reliable senior people on the till points to make sure that they enter the price wrong, because if you create the product at the wrong price, the more of it you sell, the more you lose, of course. Enjoy.